we have seen the preparation of a balance sheet. So preparation of a balance sheet under Schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. So we studied all the format of balance sheet, liability side, equity and liability side, and the asset side. So uh, now we will continue the same problem. Okay, so already we wrote notes to account. Now we will do the balance sheet. So balance sheet of Shine and Bright Company Limited. Okay, so already we wrote the working notes. So in this question, no share capital. No share capital. So we will write reserves and surplus. So we did the working notes. So final amount 40,000. First working note. Okay. So next working note we did long term borrowing. So only one thing I said, share application money pending allotment. So if no item it is there, then also we have to write. Long term borrowings. So we wrote 2 lakh. Then short term provision that is come under current liabilities. Working note number 2. No, sorry. This is working note number 2. Third one, sorry, current liabilities, under current liabilities, short-term provisions. Working note number 3. Okay, so from this question, no other liability, provision for tax or profit loss account up to the next discount should be dependent. Then remaining asset only, then over, it will be total. You have to check whether it is equal or not because share capital not given. If it is not given means no need to write the total only you have to write. Okay, so on the basis of question, you have to write the notes to account. So shareholders fund share capital nil, reserve and surplus. then share application money pending allotment, then you have to look item on that base only you have to write. Non-current liability, one item it is there, long-term borrowing, current liabilities, short-term provision. Sometimes that directly they will give current liabilities, so directly we can write it. So no need of any working note. If directly it is given means no need of any working note.
Second to last page. Okay, sir.
So under assets, note to account you have to write tangible assets also there, intangible assets also there. That is fixed asset. Next inventory, trade receivable, cash in. That is current assets. Work note number 4. Intangible assets. Intangible assets, goodwill it is given. Okay, so now fixed asset is over. So you have to look in the question, any investment, no investment. Okay, mainly fixed assets, non-current investment under non-current assets. Now, first one inventories. Second one trade receivables. Okay, so you have to check in the question if any other item we left while recording the transaction in the main format. So everything we wrote. Okay, no? So now we will do fourth question. Textual question, fourth one. Page number 174 or I don't know. So you have to look at the financial statement chapter. Exercise question number 4. From the following information, prepare balance sheet of JAM Limited. JAM Limited. Okay. So here first you have to look at the items. Inventory, equity share capital, preference share capital. So share capital working note, first one. Then debenture redemption reserve, working notes, outstanding expenses, sorry, sorry, inventories, equity share capital, plant and machinery, fixed asset tangible, inventory, current assets, share capital only, plant and machinery, fixed assets tangible, preference share capital, reserve and surplus, bills payable, other current liability, provision for tax, short-term provision, land and building, fixed assets tangible, non-current investments, under non-current investments. So no need of any working note, direct head it is given. So cash at bank, that is cash and cash equivalents, creditors, trade payable, 12% debentures, long-term borrowing. Okay. So whenever you are reading the item, you have to remember. So what are the items are there? What are the items we have to write in the notes to account? Okay. So here from looking this question, we can understand share capital notes to account we have to prepare. Then reserve and surplus, it is needed. Then long-term borrowing, long-term borrowing. Then current liability, anything? Yes, current liability, bills, trade payable, trade payable is there. Then other current liability it is there, outstanding expenses. Sorry, outstanding expenses is not there. So trade payable, then short-term provision, provision for tax. So then asset, fixed assets, tangible assets. Next one, intangible asset is not non-current investment, directly it is given. So no need of any working notes. Then which one? Current assets, I think current assets, cash at bank, cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so we'll do the problem. So the next chapter also, you can see the format. So you will get a revision also. Okay, same only format, no change. From that only, next chapter we will do analysis. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Share capital. If directly any item it is given, subhead item it is given, then no need to write in the working notes. After long-term borrowing, current liabilities, here a trade payable item it is given, provision for tax, short-term provision. Okay, trade payable means from this question you can understand creditors, bills payable. Then one more liability it is given here, provision for tax. No, two more item. Okay, last question. Okay, here a provision for tax is given that is come under current liability only short-term provision. So now you have to remember if you study the which one each items, then only you will get you can prepare the balance sheet. So now you have to check liability is over, equity share capital, potential capital, inventory asset, plant and machinery, general stores, payable provision for tax, land and building fixed assets, non-current assets, cash at bank, current assets, creditors, debenture. Okay, over. Now, asset side. So first, fixed assets, tangible. Fixed assets, tangible.
So we have to do total also.
No, it is notes to account now.
Okay, sir.
Notes to account. Now, after that only we will prepare balance sheet. Okay, this is working note.
Okay, sir.
Fixed assets, tangible. So here, two fixed assets are there, plant and machinery, land and building. Okay. Now you have to look any intangible assets. No. Then non-current assets directly given. No problem. Okay. Now any other inventory is there. Inventory directly given. Inventory directly given. Okay. Now cash at bank. Cash at bank. That is cash and cash equivalents. So if each subhead is directly given means no need to write in the working notes. Okay, over. Over no remaining inventories, non-current investments, inventories directly given. And, we wrote every item. So, total portion of tax. Building, okay, recurring investments, cash, bank, case, debenture. Okay, so now we will prepare the balance sheet. Date discount given. Same like last problem. First equity and liabilities. Share capital, first working notes. Amount, Femina, share capital, final amount.
Sir, 22 lakh.
Next, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Anila, amount.
6. So share capital is 22 lakh.
24. 24.
22.
22. Avarna, long term borrowings.
Sir, 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs.
First current liabilities, which first current liability, trade payable. Which one? In notes to account, what we wrote first?
Trades payable.
Trade payable. After that, short term provision.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only two current liability, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Trade payable amounts. Trade payable amounts.
Sir, 3,50,000.
Short-term provision,
2,50,000.
so now you have to find the total. Total you have to find. Under that, we have to write two assets. Now, no need to write a particular note number, the same format only. The second assets. Total how much? Non-current assets. Notes to account 6, no? Tangible assets. Karthik? Tangible.
Yes, sir.
So intangible asset is, it is not there. Then no need to write intangible assets. 6 amount,
24 lakh.
24 lakh. Now, no intangible assets. Now, second one, non-current investment. Directly given, non-current investment. One thing you have to, if it is directly given means no need to write notes to account. So notes number, nothing it is there. Directly we can write the amount 10 lakh. Next, non-current investment. Okay, now any other item? No. Now current assets. The first one, current investments is not there. Current investment not there. Then inventories. So note number 7. No, no notes number. So directly given. So inventory directly given 7 lakh. Next one. mm, Cash and cash equivalents. The item, push button, billing of management, cash at bank, creditors, speaking. Yes. Seven, cash and cash equivalents. Amount 5 lakh. Total.
46 lakh.
36 lakh.
Yes, 46 lakh. Both side, Karno, liabilities and assets. Correct. Okay. Now, next question. Prepare balance sheet of Jyoti Limited as at 31st March. Okay. So items. Okay. Femina, correct. Okay. Next question. Building 10 lakh. That is fixed tangible. Investment in shares. That is non-current investment. Stores and spares. Anyone? Stores and spares. Subhead.
Inventories.
Yes, inventories. Next, discount on issue of debenture. We know that reserve and surplus minus item, or if reserve and surplus not there means profit and loss account minus item. Then statement of profit and loss account debit means loss. Next one, 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 20 each fully paid. Capital. Share number of share is 5 lakh 20. So how much will get 5 lakh into 20? 5 lakh into 20. Okay, 5 lakh into 20. It is 2 only. 5 lakh equity shares of rupees 2 each fully paid. 20 each fully paid. 1 minute. 5 lakh equity shares 50,000. 50,000. 50,000. That is not 5 lakh. That is 50,000. Okay. 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each fully paid. 5 lakh it is given in the question. That is not 5 lakh. That is 50,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each fully paid. Next, capital redemption reserve, debenture, unpaid dividend, other current liabilities, unpaid, outstanding. Then share option outstanding account. Anyone know that share option outstanding account under which head?
Subhead.
Subhead. Major head is what? Share option outstanding account.
Reserve and surplus.
Yes, reserve and surplus. So under reserve and surplus, you look at the items under reserve and surplus. Okay, share option outstanding account. Share option outstanding account. Okay, so we will do the notes to account first. Share capital. Equity share capital. 50,000 into 20. Next, reserve and surplus. Here, reserve is given, loss is given, then a discount on issue of debenture also given. How we will write? First, the general reserve, capital redemption reserve. Here given capital redemption reserve. So it is given amount 1 lakh. Then loss is there, loss. $10,000. So normally already I said before last year, but we are treating discount on issue debenture. So under other current assets. So if it is that case, we have to write 10,000 here. How? So discount on issue of debenture 10,000. So value will be 0. Okay. So next remaining topic I will continue in the next class. Okay. Remaining topic I will continue in the next class. So now time is over.